Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed repair guide for the Dell Inspiron laptop. Today, we are focusing on two critical repairs, fixing the motherboard and replacing the battery. Let's get started. ### tools required. 1. Phillips head screwdriver. A number 1 or number 0 size will work best. 2. Plastic pry tool, to safely open the case without damaging it. 3. Tweezers, helpful for handling small screws and components. 4. Anti-static wrist strap, to prevent static damage to the components. 5. Thermal paste, necessary for reapplying after motherboard repairs. ### Step 1. Preparing your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. Gather all tools listed above. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. ### Step 2. Opening the laptop. Start by powering down your Dell Inspiron and unplugging it from any power source. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws organized. Use the plastic pry tool to gently pop open the back cover. ### Step 3. Identifying components. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery and the motherboard. The battery is usually a rectangular component with wires leading to the motherboard. Be careful not to touch any other components just yet. ### Step 4. Removing the battery. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector. Remove any screws holding the battery in place. If you need a replacement, ensure to get a compatible battery for your Dell Inspiron model. If you don't have the tools for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. ### Step 5. Inspecting the motherboard. Inspect the motherboard for any visible damage such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you find anything suspicious, it may be necessary to replace the motherboard. For a full assessment, consider our quote before repair service, which lets you know the costs up front. ### Step 6. Cleaning the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's important to clean the motherboard. Use compressed air to blow away any dust and debris. This helps prevent overheating and improves performance. ### Step 7. Replacing the motherboard if necessary. If you need to replace the motherboard, unscrew it carefully from the chassis. Disconnect all cables attached to it. Install the new motherboard by reversing this process. Ensure all connections are secure. ### Step 8. Replacing the battery. Position the new battery into place and secure it with screws. Connect the battery cable back to the motherboard. ### Step 9. Closing the laptop. Replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. ### Step 10. Testing your repair. Plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to see if it boots up and recognize the new battery. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dell Inspiron. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get help. This concludes our detailed guide on repairing the motherboard and replacing the battery of your Dell Inspiron laptop. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.